Welcome back into ARC Southeast Texas on this Wednesday morning. Hate to break it to you, but school is right around the corner. I don't know if the kids are excited to hear that, but it's just the reality of it all. We've got Josh Davis here this morning. We're talking about the Legacy Community Health's free school festival that they have coming up this weekend. And Josh, you're just telling me a little bit about last year and just how many folks showed up. This is a way for people who are in need to be able to get school supplies that are really needed every single day in school.
Right. So kids need school supplies to get started with school. We want them to walk in the first day ready to learn and have what they need. That also is affected with your health.
Yeah.
So if you don't have what you need to learn, then worry, anxiousness, all that happens. So we want our kids to be ready to learn, but at the same time connecting these families to resources. So we'll have a number of nonprofits and vendors out there connecting the families to resources that are available to help them just throughout the school year, and making it fun for the kids. Kind of ended the summer bash, so give them something fun to end summer and get ready to go back and learn.
Yeah, kind of get you excited and get you ready for all that good stuff. It is always exciting too, kind of getting some of those new school supplies as well. So they got that to look forward to.
Yeah.
And you mentioned obviously some of the nonprofits and organizations that you guys partner with. What's that partnership like? I'd have to imagine a lot of these places are more than willing to kind of step up and help whenever it comes to the situation.
Yep. So in the nonprofit world, we all know that what's within your radius of where you go in life. And so by bringing these nonprofits together, it allows families to see a lot at once versus just what's within their neighborhood. And yeah, it's easy to get nonprofits to come out. We all work together and support each other to better support the community. That's what we're here for, is to help our community out.
Definitely. So how many years have you guys been doing this?
We've been doing this 5 years. So right after COVID, we started it back, but we've done it. I've been at Legacy 9 years, and we've been doing it in some form or fashion for the last 9 years. Grown it to where now we do 1,000 backpacks.
Wow.
So the first 1,000 kids that are school age through the door will get a backpack filled with supplies to get them started. And then we have BISD is going to be doing on-site registration for BISD students, free haircuts for the kids, snow cones, popcorn, cotton candy, all the fun stuff. So they'll have fun, but also learn a little bit about what's available in our community. Yeah,
1,000 backpacks, that's incredible. What's normally the response like from parents and families that you guys are able to provide this for them? Because obviously sometimes, that stuff, it gets expensive.
Right.
So this is a good opportunity for them to be able to go and say, hey, I need a little help, and you guys are able to do that.
Everyone's appreciative, grateful, and then also our goal is to connect these families to healthcare. So if someone doesn't have a doctor, doesn't know where to go for healthcare, we can get them scheduled for appointments because we turn nobody away. So whether someone has insurance or no insurance at all, we're here to provide health care of quality to the entire community of Southeast Texas.
Probably pretty enlightening too, I'd have to imagine, because sometimes it's stuff that you don't even think about at this fair that you can find.
Right, yeah, so financial institutions, Exxon's a big supporter of it, Quest Diagnostics. We have our pharmacy team that's doing different screenings out there. And then, like I said, a number of nonprofits that a lot of times people don't realize are available in our community. They have resources available. And every year, it's always very surprising and overwhelming to see the amount of people that come out, and then just to see the support from the vendors and nonprofits. And really makes me proud to live in Southeast Texas and be a part of it.
I was gonna say, Southeast Texans are always pretty good about stepping up and helping each other out. So that's great to be able to see, and that you guys are able to do that for them. What's the information that people need to know if they do want to go on Saturday?
So it's Saturday, July 26th from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. People start getting there early.
Yeah.
So I always tell people it's the only restriction is kids have to be present. We want kids to be there of school age. And it's at Pietzsch-MacArthur on 4500 Highland Avenue. So it's the South Park Middle School campus of Pietzsch-MacArthur. We'll have signs out there so you'll know where to go. Just look for the people.
Gotcha. And you said obviously school age, so any school age is fine.
Right. Yep.
And can you have multiple kids?
Mm-hmm. Yep. It's just the kids have to be present to be there. So the day is a lot for the kids, so we want the kids to be there.
Yeah.
And it's only fair to be given backpacks to the children and not to the adults.
And 1,000 backpacks, so first come, first serve when it comes to that situation.
Yep. First come, first serve. Everybody gets a card when they go in, so that way if they don't go straight to the backpack line, they have their guaranteed backpack.
Perfect. All right. Well, thanks for stopping by and telling us about this.
Thanks for having me.
Yeah, obviously a great event, and be able to kind of help the kids in Southeast Texas. So we appreciate what you guys are able to do there as well.
Appreciate y'all's support for this.
Absolutely.